Boys, good morning. It's about 7 o'clock Sunday morning and today is an awesome day. Something fantastic's happened. Now have a look around. Nick's Starlet is gone. We actually got the exhaust system all done. We used the rest of those 3-inch stainless bends, had it go up over the axle there, and we scored a free cannon muffler. Now, the reason today is a really good day is not because of Nick's car being gone, is we're going to get a lot of work done today on the Galanza. I've got 5 or 6 mates coming around and we're going to strip all the interior, pretty much every nut and bolt and everything out of the car so we can work out engine placement and stuff to put the engine in the boot. So the plan is we're going to bring the car in the workshop, take all the panels and everything off it. Once that's sorted, we're going to pretty much throw all the interior away. I've got another Starlet on the way that has a blown up engine, but the interior is mint. There's about 80,000 Ks on the clock. So that's going to be all the interior and bits and pieces we need to put the car back to its sort of factory condition once we get the car running. The other car also has a good set of front shock absorbers and front hubs. Now we're going to need those when we do the conversion in the back because we use front because we use front shocks and springs in the rear setup. That way we've got the splines that go through the hub so we can support the CV. So that's a definitely necessity. But yeah, today we're going to get everything all stripped out of the car as quick as we can, throw most of this crud away. Also getting all the carpet and stuff out means when we're doing cutting and welding and stuff in the back there, we're not going to start any fires. Now the windscreen's cracked. I have tried to pull these out before. You probably saw one of the previous episodes with the roofless Starlet. It took me ages to get it out, so I think I'll just get a professional to come around and actually, I think they use piano wire or something like that, just a professional tool, get it out. At least there's going to be no glass and stuff we can cut ourselves on. Once we have the whole car stripped, we need to make up a heap of plates and brackets and things that'll replicate where the engine mounts and strut tops, control arm mounts and that is going to be. You may not completely understand the engine frame jig that I'm talking about, but I'll give you an example. So years ago when I built this blue Starlet, this is the twin engine Starlet, I literally chopped a big hole in the boot, sat the engine in there, literally closed one eye, started making some engine mounts and did some framework and stuff down there. The engine's mounted okay, but the problem is the suspension geometry was so bad, whenever you'd go around a corner or you'd get bumps here on a launch, the wheels would start towing in and out. It drove like absolute crap. Literally, it was worse than Nick's car. It would try and kill you when you drove down the road. It actually took a long time to re-space the strut tops, move the control arms and actually try and set it up. And it is good now, but doing the engine frame means you're going to have the exact suspension geometry from standard, and that's going to save us a lot of time and effort. So I've learned a lot of things on this car, and I think now the things that I've learned with this and all the boys coming to help today, we should be able to get this Galanza up and going pretty quick. And last but not least, most of you know that if I use copyrighted music on a video, YouTube won't actually pay me for the ads in that video. But it is Sunday and Sundays are for the boys, so we think it's only fair that we put some Aussie bangers on today, and we hope you guys enjoy this episode. The team is here.
Yeah. Oh no.
So what are we actually stripping off today?
Absolutely everything. We want to go right down to a bare shell.
All right.
Throw in the bin, don't keep anything. I mean, the tail lights, we might say then.
It's not often I call a car gross, but this is gross.
1, 2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. You don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? A big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man. Yeah, I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away. Yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl? It's 1, 2, 3. look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need money with a face like that, do ya? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man. Yeah, I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away. Yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl?
I can actually put with one hand.
I could see you home with me, but you were with another man. Yeah, I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away. Yeah, be my girl, be my girl. Are you gonna be my girl?
Thing, but I do heaps of grabbing and crushing and things.
Fapping.
Yeah.
Fapping and crushing.
Crushing of your head.
Yeah.
Smooth going. Hang on.
Got
Just me.
it. Bench that one.
Slide as actually. I wasn't. Oh, sit back.
Oh, that didn't take too long. Wow, trying to work out where we're chopping.
Just look at the other car and do it.
That way.
Well, it's funny, the blue car, I chopped through the chassis rail there, which is not needed at all.
No. So don't chop the chassis rail this time.
But there are spot welds there, so I'm wondering if I just stick to the side and then
dinosaur
tap it up
maybe.
later.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maximum room.
Yeah, use like a
Like that.
use a fucking
Add more material back, we can do that. Shield your eyes!
Well, it didn't take that long to get it all in pieces. We'll get him to come in here with a grinder and flatten all that out. Get rid of all the sharp edges, and then we can start making that frame in the front end. Just, it'll show us where the strut towers and all the control arm stuff are going to sit. I know you probably don't really know what we're talking about, but once that's in place, then we can make some cardboard templates going to engine mounts and things like that, and then just cut them out of steel. So yeah, it's coming along. We've got everyone, yeah, got a lot of work done today.
I was surprised how quick you got it apart.
Yeah.
Like, I came back after 30 minutes, it was all shell on rolling wheels.
Yep. Well, that's the end of episode 1. Episode 2 coming soon.